The listers.
Friends, thank you so much for tuning in to
Mommy and me, the listers.
So today we have a very fun experiment. We are turning science experiment into science
Skittle art.
The Skittle art.
STEM and science and so much more. Come on, let's take a flight.
Today is really simple. You don't need very many ingredients. We have a plate, we have Skittles, and we have warm water. But remember,
But make sure you have a grown-up or another grown-up with you to help you with that.
what she said. All right, so the first thing you need to do is, what's step one?
So step one is you have a plate. Well, make sure you do a little fancy, or you can just do a little pattern
A little pattern with the what?
with the Skittles.
All right, so let's do that. Can I help someone? Can I help you?
Sure.
Okay. All right, put it. You're gonna make your pattern around the outside of the plate, as close to the edge as you can. Come on, zoom in. Let's see what patterns they're gonna do.
What's that? A little Skittles. Those places. A Skittle. A Skittle. We're almost there too. Okay, we done.
So Kinsley is saying that step two is, what do we need next?
Water.
What kind of water, Kinsley?
Water.
Warm water. Good job. Okay. So we have some warm water right here in these beakers. Grab your warm water carefully, okay? Let me help you. Okay, so the trick to this is pour the water in the middle of the plate. Ooh, you're adding some final touches. Okay, so pour the water in the middle of the plate, right there in the middle, carefully. All right, okay. Make sure your candy is touching the water, or the water is touching the candy. And then,
Mom, it's happening.
step three is we watch.
Mommy, it's happening. It's happening on mine.
It's happening. I'm gonna add a little more to Kinsley's. Okay. No. You don't want to mess up your rainbow. Look at Kinsley. So.
Mine is spreading it. It's spreading. It's almost to the center.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Kinsley's has a swirl around hers.
Mommy, need some more here.
No, we're just gonna watch and wait.
The color's running out. It's almost to the center.
Wasn't that amazing?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness. We made a Skittles rainbow.
Yes, we made a Skittles rainbow, and they're all over the place. There's a lot of browns, a lot of blacks, and a lot of the different colors I added.
Oh, I
And they're fancy.
They're fancy. Okay, I have a question.
How does it work? So the Skittles and the water together, they mix together to make that, all that sugar and dye has went into the water.
Okay, it moves from the outside has a high what? Concentration.
What is this process called?
So you just made science art and you made a beautiful rainbow. Who can tell me what this process is called?
Diffusion.
Diffusion. Can you say diffusion?
Diffusion.
Diffusion. The outside has a higher concentration, so the warm water helps carry the dyes to the middle place of low concentration. So don't forget, diffusion. Y'all say it with me. Ready?
Diffusion.
Yes, it's amazing. We just made science art. So,
What kind of water?
what kind of water did you use?
Warm water.
Good job. Warm water.
Warm water.
Warm water. It moves the molecules faster to the middle of the plate and creates the rainbow right before your eyes. So what we want you to do is try this at home. Try with cold water, try with warm water, or even room temperature water, and let us know if it works faster, if the rainbow looks better. We want to hear from you, okay? And remember, until next time, Mavericks, don't stop the magic.
Mommy and me. Mommy and me. Mommy and me. Mommy and me. Come with us and explore STEM and science and so much more. Come on, let's take a flight with the listers all day and night. So much for you to do with Mommy, Chrissy, and Kinsley too. Come along and you'll see. In 1, 2, 3. Mommy and me.